Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I shall guide you about one of the most important vitamin due to its unique character against number of health issues which we face in our daily life. This vitamin is vitamin C, which can give us health benefits alone as well as in combination with iron against number of health issues, out of which first one is scurvy, a health issue characterized by the bleeding of gums and disturbance of skin, while second one is cough and flu, which can only be controlled by increasing the body immunity through white blood cell production by the vitamin C. Thirdly, anemia develops mostly due to the deficiency of iron, and it is vitamin C which have ability to increase the absorption of iron in human body, so we can better control anemia disease in presence of vitamin C rather than using iron alone. Rich food sources of vitamin C are dry coriander, chilies, kale, broccoli, green bell pepper, guava, blackcurrant, lemon, pineapple, and oranges.